Okay, it's Saturday lunchtime, just sort of been out knocking doors in Winchester this morning, talking to voters. Some of the team just heading off now for their lunch. Thank you. It's been an interesting couple of days. Yesterday we were at the public inquiry on Barton Farm decision, and we're going to find out in the next few months what the inspectors decided, whether to uphold the decision of Winchester Council and refuse the permission for the 2,000 houses at Barton Farm. I hope so. I think there's every reason why she should do that. A change of government has changed the landscape and will change the law. We have abolished the regional planning, and there is absolutely no need now to release this site. Winchester will decide, Winchester Council and the people will decide what we're going to have on that site. We got some footage from yesterday, some highlights of what I said to the inquiry and some of the cross-examination between myself and Cala's QC, and I think that's coming out now.
It's true to say that there have been a few trip hazards along the way in recent months, some of them in the Royal Courts of Justice. And if anyone's keeping score on those recent challenges of Cala Homes versus Eric Nichols, the Secretary of State, for those who don't know, I think the score currently stands at 1-1. This inquiry, I would say to you, is literally next goal wins. And I'm sure there's nobody in this room today or associated with this case who underestimates the importance of this inquiry, not just for Winchester. Obviously that is our primary concern, but across the country. And I know there are many members of Parliament who are aware of today going on. I know many people are watching us very, very closely. Well, look, I said that the work of the LDF is valid, but at the time grammatically incorrect. The LDF has been stopped because of the change of government, and it's now up to the City Council to come up with its revised LDF in line with the new emerging policy. And when it comes up with those things, we will see what it proposes. But I do not favour development at Barton Farm, so I did not favour either of those two options.
Discussion as to where it should go, and that decision has been that it should go to Barton Farm. That's right. That was part of the LDF process, which you say the work for which remains valid.
I say the work remains valid for the local development framework because it had a lot of community involvement, and they did do some sensible work. But the trouble is it was done under the context of the old legislation. Now, you know, we can cancel the dentist and we can sit here for as long as you like, but I will not change my view. The way that the local development framework was drawn up, or the draft LDF was drawn up, was under the old legislation. Things have changed. There was a general election on May the 5th, and the public spoke very clearly. Yes, I think what people I spoke to the Prime Minister about that this week. You know, I think that people make a great misunderstanding when they think that everything this government is trying to do is through legislation. They confuse us with the last government. We are trying to engender a culture change of localism, and that is not just about housing and planning and development. That runs right way through our whole public service reform.
Good, thank you very much indeed, Mr. Brine. The dentist.
To open one, yes. Not going.